knowing them. This is Spiderus Prime, bringing you Transformers Animated Optimus Prime's Team, Part 3, Ratchet. He's a medic. Medics. What's the deal? They're just guys wearing scrubs. Ugh. Same dumb rowing action. Ugh. We're doing. Let's do his slag dong transformation. Ugh. Transform Ratchet. Ugh. Simple. Stupid slag. Oh, you idiots. Stop back and smuckers. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. This is the problem with these gang-on legs. I need to bit my... Thank goodness teeth were invented. Back in the old days, teeth were not used. We used them for food and all that. And he got this dang gun Autobomb. Oh, no more. Oh, great. Now we're gonna see him in robot mode, huh? Here is Ratchet in robot mode. Okay, he has the alarm robot mode. See? He has hunchback. Okay, the gimmicks. He got things, which I never bring. He has this. Magnets! Magnets! And we had the GMP generator for lockdown. Anyway, this is Spiderus Prime saying, you are till 10, my slag. If Optimus is Ben, if Starscream is Kevin, if Black Arachne is Grin, if Megatron is Vagius, who am I? You are Max! Telephone from Benton and all the other. See Paul A in the next Transformers series. Yes, Percept